Hi friends. This is Scissor from PS Tutelar. We will talk about a powerful tool. That is Blend If in Photoshop. There is a text on document. We will see what is Blend If. I will show two techniques of this tool. Let's see what is Blend If and how it works in Photoshop. So, there is a text on document. Bring a texture on this text. Press Alt and clip this texture layer on text. Then right-click on layer and go to blending options. You can see Blend If has two types of sliders. First I will use this layer. You can see black and white slider. If I move white slider to left, it will conceal bright area of texture. Press OK and here is texture on text. Again go to blending options. I will move back white slider. It will reveal white areas of texture. If I move black slider to right, it will conceal black areas of texture. Press Alt and hold, then click on slider to apart it. Move left apart slider to left. If you want to keep little bit texture on text, it will make smooth transition. So it is a powerful tool of Blend If. You can use it in this way. You can apply texture on the text. Second way of Blend If. There is an image of model. And there is shine on hair. Suppose we want to apply extra shine on hair. Create a solid color layer. Fill it with white color and press OK. Active. Mask of layer. And press Ctrl+I to invert it. It will hide white color of layer. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Pick brush tool. Start painting on hair. Where you want to apply extra shine. Keep painting on hair for extra shine. When you satisfy with painting, right-click on layer and go to blending options. There is underlying layer in Blend If. Press Alt and hold, then click on black slider. It will apart slider. Move right apart slider all the way to right. Finally hit OK. Here is before and after. Suppose you feel shine is more on hair. You can reduce opacity. I am going to reduce opacity to 80%. Check it before and after. So this is another technique of Blend If. It is a powerful tool in Photoshop. I hope you like these two techniques. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.